Slight miscalculation. But I think this flow is still better. At last, and then Shift R. Shift R. Shift R. Wait, what did I do? Oh. Shift R repeats the last action. Love that button. Oh wait, we keep this because we want. Yeah, can also use Shift R for this one. It's getting confused with the shading, but it'll figure itself, sort itself out. Where should I lead this line? Definitely should not be leading here. Well, sometimes I forget. Did I change my last action? Right. This is better, at least. At the very least. If we bevel this now, it'll create some endguns, but we can fix that. It's probably not the best topology I'm concocting up here. Alright, I have an idea. We do this. I wonder if I merge these at the center. Yeah. Perfect. I'm just gonna eyeball it, because like I can't be about that. Gotta be fine. This one, silly me. Oh, that's gonna be weird. But it is what it is. Righty. Fixed. And now we will, you know, it's a lazy method. It's good here, it's not good here, but we can just do the lazy method. So Shift S cursor to selected, period key, 3D cursor. Delete the bad half, which is the lower half. Select everything. Shift D. SZ -1. Oh, of course it needs to be global. SZ -1. The axis obviously depends. Shift N. Flip normals back. And then everything selecting merged by distance. And